In this video, I want to talk about how you can become a seller on Shein. Now to do this, you need to have a business tax ID. So what you want to do is just Google sell on Shein. Make sure you find this one at seller whatever region you're from .shein.com and just click on this one. Once you're on this website, you want to click on get started and you will head over to the application form. Now in here, there are some requirements. These are the requirements. Obviously, this is for the US based one. If you're in Europe or in Asia, you want to check those websites instead of the US one. And then you simply want to apply. Now, these are the documents that you need. Right here, you can pause the video and see. And once you've done this, just apply. If you get accepted, you will be able to list your products and you are ready to ship. Now, this is the easiest way to do this. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.